My name is Carlos Caridad, energy healer, Reiki practitioner, and I have the honor and the privilege to invite you to our healing tours at the Great Pyramids of Egypt. Yes, I'm going to be performing group healing sessions, and not just anywhere, but at the Karnak Temple. And it's a very special day. It's a solar alignment. It's a celebration that has been observed in Egypt for thousands of years. On December 21st, the sun rises and the rays of the sun align with the structure of the Karnak Temple. I hope to see some of you and read all the information on my webpage on the link below or somewhere here.